5 P's innovative leadership session we're going to talk about today. So 5 P's are position, permission, production, people development, and pinnacle. First thing is position. Position, like, it is given to you all. You are on first level country. You have rights. You have the authority to give the instructions to others. People follow you because they have to. They are instructed to, so they are following you. You have this thing. You have the right to do that. So first is done. Second P is permission. Permission is the relationship which you develop within yourself and the one who is following you. People who follow you because they want to. Here they have to and they want to. There is a much difference between these things. Here they are doing by will. They are doing by choice. They are not doing by choice here, but here they are doing by choice because you have a relationship between you and your colleagues that you should do as a teamwork. This is permission. Production result. With the thing which you have done here, you have developed a relationship. With that, you do the things very well. So here the result will come out. The product will be ready. And people development, reproduction. Now they have learned from you, and now they will teach others. This is a reproduction going on here, it is transferring from you to the students, then students to other students. Pinnacle, it is the last P, it is the highest P, it is respect. Means a position which is the highest peak is known as pinnacle. People follow you because they what you are and what you represent there. Because you have set a position there and they see you and they do it as you are doing it. It is the highest. First one, position. Lowest level of leadership is position, which is given to you. Positional leadership, rights and title. It is like the least thing. आपको मिल गई वो position, that is just positional leadership. आपको कर रहे नहीं हो, बस आपको leadership की position मिल गई. That is leadership. आपके पास rights है, आपके पास titles है. Next, bosses but not leaders. You are the boss but not the leader. Have subordinates, not team members. Team members are the one which work together, but here they are subordinates. At the first level, they are subordinates. They are not working with you. They are instructed and they are doing it. No extra time or effort is given. Like you are a team, for the work to be done, for the product to be ready, you do it all together and you give your extra time, you give your extra effort in that. But when it comes to positional leadership, they don't have interest in you. You are just interested 9 to 5, done, khatam. And you have no influence on them. Next, level 2 is permission. It is based on relationships on permission level because they want to give value to students, influence on them and develop the trust. And it is a positive environment which is there around you, which influence the students and develop the trust between you. You can trust them and they can trust you. How to get along with them? Teachers find out who their students are and students reciprocate. You find out your students are this, they have done that, and the students find out this is my teacher, she does like that, and together you reciprocate to the other people. Solid and lasting relationships are there, and you can like students without leading them, but you cannot lead students well without liking them. This is a very important point. I want you to look at this and explain me. What does this statement state? At the highlighted points, I want anyone of you to experience. Yeah, we are running out of time. The last one.
5B में डिफाइन करके हमारे अच्छे हैंडल कराओ वो 5B आप लोग पहले सुनिए अच्छी तरीके से 5B क्या है अब उसके बाद आप एनालाइज करेंगे आप उस 5B में कौन काम है और कहाँ जाना उसके बाद असेसमेंट टेस्ट रहेगा वो टेस्ट दूंगा मैं तो ऐसा कोई रहेगा कि आप लोग पिछले साल जो काम करें वो आपकी बात कौन कैसा सुने आप कितने पार्टिसिपेशन किए 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 ऐसे ऑप्शन है सम टाइम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम और क्या किया था और एक चीज उसको टिक करते रहना 30 क्वेश्चन रहते हो 30 क्वेश्चन के अब आप टिक कर लेके अपने आप टोटल करते 3 to वो कर लेना 2 वाले के थे 2 into वो कर लेना टोटल 30 का जो है ना आपको एनालाइज कर लेना है इसमें कुछ स्कोर आएगा so that define you are where you are standing in leadership qualities.